Hey guys, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and on a recent um, video, Misha talked about becoming affiliate with Etsy, and I just wanted to show you guys. There's actually two different ways that you can become an affiliate with Etsy. And here I'm on their page, and it talks about you can either join their affiliate program or you can join the Creator Collective. And the Creator Collective is the one that Misha highlighted, and it's for social media creators. So it's really for those people who have a following, who are going to be sharing about the Etsy finds and program and things like that via social media. But before they had the Creator Collective, they actually had just a plain old affiliate program that is designed for people like bloggers and content creators of that sort. And I've been a member of their affiliate program for a couple of years now. And so it shows you that you can apply now here, or you can also apply for the Creator. Like I say, I am just a part of their affiliate program. Their affiliate program, though, is actually run through AWin, and you can sign up to become you have to first be a part of AWin in order to apply and and then apply to become an affiliate to Etsy. And so on AWin, you can get here by going to this website address, but I'm also going to be sharing my referral link um, to AWin, and it is prettycutepress.com/AWin. And when you get to AWin, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And it talks about how to get rewarded for promoting brands that you love. And that's really what affiliate marketing is all about, is getting commission or getting paid for sharing resources that you already know, trust, and love with others. So if you're someone who already uses Etsy or whatever place, but today we're talking about Etsy, and you're someone who's going to share it with others, this just gives you a small commission for sharing it with others when that person utilizes your link to become to buy a purchase, and it's at no additional cost to them. And that's the same way with any affiliate program. It gives you a commission, but it doesn't charge the person who's buying anything extra. And so when you get here on AWin, it lets you you can go through and read about the benefits, how to get started, the types of program, the frequently asked question. Um, and so for us, as someone who's applying to be a part of the affiliate program, we are considered what publishers. And so it's telling you it's a 3-step process. You sign up, you promote, and you earn. One of the things to know about AWin is that, and you'll find it here, it tells you how do you sign up. You do have a $1 refundable security deposit is required. Now, I'm an affiliate for other programs that don't necessarily have this refundable security deposit, but this is something that AWin has, and it's just $1. Um, I want to think when I did it, it was like $10, but I could be mistaken because I've been a part of AWin for some time now. And so anything you have questions about, you can just click here and learn more. And here it's going to tell you, what is the difference between publishers and advertisers. Now, AWin has a whole lot of different publishers that are part of their network of people that you can become an affiliate for. And Etsy is just one of them. Like when you click over here and search their advertiser directory, like if you're a crafter or if you know a particular site's name, you can go in there and type that. It would help if I spell things better. You can find different things that may be of interest to you when I go in here and type Etsy, then it's going to bring up all of the different Etsy ones. If you're in the US, you would do Etsy US from there. So again, to get here, you can either go to awin.com. If you want to use my referral link, you can go to prettycutepress.com/awin. And if you're already a part of the AWIN network and you're going to apply to the Etsy referral fee program, then you can go to prettycutepress.com/Etsy affiliate, and it's going to take you to this place. Again, that just gives me a small commission if you purchase something or you become an actual affiliate with them. That also gives me a small commission at no additional charge to you. Or you can simply go to this direct link here, that's etsy.com/affiliates. And again, it'll tell you here, apply now. This is their basic program, and it's the one that I'm a part of. And it's going to tell you, how do you sign up and join? It's going to give you an overview of their program that tells you what it is that you're required, what are their program eligibility, what is their social media policy, what is the cookie policy. Cookie is just saying how long do you have between a person clicks on the link and actually makes a purchase on there. And here it's telling you, please note, commissions are not put on a gift card purchase on there. So you just want to go through and read this. It's going to tell you all about the program, all of that. It's going to tell you the program terms. And so once you become accepted as part of AWIN, then you can go in and come here to apply for Etsy. And then once you are accepted into their program, then that is going to give you the ability not just to be an Etsy affiliate, but to also search and see what other publishers, advertiser are a part of their network, so that there may be something else in here that fits your audience, fits your niche, that you're already utilizing and could be getting some funds to to getting some funds for referring others to something that you already know and love. And again, AWIN is just one of the publishers. There are other networks that have house multiple affiliate programs for different ones. But I just wanted to go in and show you how that there were actually two different ways to become an affiliate of Etsy. And this one, you don't have to already have a shop on Etsy. At the time when I joined, I don't think I had an Etsy shop, or at least my Etsy shop wasn't active at the time. And this one, you can go through and read that and see if you qualify. Again, I just wanted to show you a quick way, or a way that you can, the two different ways that you can become an Etsy affiliate. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.